Yeah, look at how pretty this is. So the sun's coming up over that way. The moon's up a little bit, just a sliver of it. Wouldn't want to be any other place. Oh, something right there. Maybe we need to go back there. Take a little. Could have been a bird too. Go back and take a cast. Look at the otters. That is so cool. Alright, y'all, so just to give you an idea of what I'm fishing that Kitech over, this is what I am fishing the Kitech over. It's probably about 4 feet deep, and it's just loaded with old cypress and stuff. And there's some other leaf litter and stuff there too, but that is what we are currently fishing over top of. I was really happy that I got this on film. I wanted to share it with y'all. It's not fishing, but sometimes the best things out there don't necessarily have to be what you're after in the first place. But yeah, there were some, 2 of them were pretty good size. The other one looked like maybe it was like a younger male or female, and the 2, I would say it was probably like mother, father. I'd say male, female, like mother and father, and then maybe the 2 babies. But anyway, I really hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure that you hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. Make sure you comment below. I like replying to the comments. I read every single one, and I reply to every single one. I don't think I've missed a comment yet. If I have, call me out on it, and I will respond. Make sure you share the video out. I appreciate that too. And subscribe. We are so close to 1,000. Let's keep going. But I will catch y'all next time. Take care.